Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can link to a subpage in your workspace on Notion really quickly. For example, for reference reasons, if you'd like to redirect your visitors or yourself on or one page, for example, to one of your subpages in your workspace, it is actually super simple. Let me show you how to do that. Head over to Notion, log into your account and select your workspace in the top left corner, and after that, pick the page or subpage from your list of pages here on the left hand side you would like to link. So let me go with that to-do list just for the sake of this tutorial. And what you want to do after that is left click on the given page or subpage and click on these three dots here next to the name. After that, select copy link from the drop-down menu. And to link to that subpage, head over to your main page or the page where you would like to place the link. So let me go, for example, with that fresh new page here. What you want to do after that is click where you would like to place the link. Let me go, for example, here at the top of that page and enter the command /mention, just like that, and select the option mention a page from that list below. After that, you will see a list of suggestions, or what you may do simply, guys, is press Ctrl V on your keyboard or Command V if you're using a Mac to paste the link for the page you just copied, just like that. And confirm by selecting the linked subpage below. As you can see here, it says link to page, and that is going to add the subpage as a link here to your list or to your page. So guys, just for demonstration purposes, if I hover my mouse over that link, you will see a thumbnail of the linked subpage. And if I link to it, you will see that I am going to be redirected directly to that subpage here. And that's how it works, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.